Well, there we go. Quick little flight with the non-4K camera. It's set to 1080. 4K is pointless. And obviously the GoPro Hero 5 set to 4K 30, which I will be cropping in for the edits to get closer to the airplane, see how that looks, and actually see if it works. If not, we just end up, you know, if I'm not satisfied with those results, if it doesn't do what I need to do and I can't get closer, and that means someone, you know, using a camera with a zoom lens, then I'm just going to upgrade to a $200 camera versus buying a $530 plus taxes GoPro Hero 6.